Hi guys, this is Camille. Today, I'll be showing you how to do a solid transition effect that looks like this. In addition to changing the color to whatever we need, we can control the speed and the angle of the transition, so we can really experience the fun. If you are into this, keep watching. We're going to do a solid color transition, so surely we need to prepare some solid color images. If you didn't prepare any solid color images, you can click on here, changing the background of the video to the color we need. Then create a new text clip and delete the text. After that, click on here to take a snapshot of this frame. By following the same steps, we can save several more images in different colors. If you have no idea about what colors you want to use, try this website. You can get a large number of color combination ideas. Copy the one you like and then paste it on VideoProc Vlogger. Now we can use it. After preparing the images, we can start making the solid color transition. It's really easy to make horizontal movement transitions like this. Let's firstly place the solid color image at the place where we need the transition effect to start. Then go to the inspector panel and select Fit to the screen height. After that, click on Motion. Click on here to add the first keyframe. Adjust the selection box. Then we get to around 0.5 seconds. Add the second keyframe over here. Next, let's get back to the first keyframe. Here, I want the image to enter from the left and exit from the right. Therefore, we need to move the selection box toward the right until it's moved out of the screen completely. Let's take a preview. Okay, we made an entering from the left effect. Next, we add the third and fourth keyframes. Move the selection box of the fourth keyframe toward the left until it is moved out of the screen completely. Then add the fifth keyframe at the end point. Okay, well done. Let's check out the outcome. Looks good. If one clip is already switched to another before the solid color image fills up the frame, then just move its position a little bit. And we can get a pretty natural result. Following the same method, we can make the entering from the right transition effect or the up and down transition effect. Based on the horizontal transition, we can make the outcome look more vivid by overlapping different colors. We create 2 overlay tracks. The quick way to do this is to create 3 copies of the horizontal transition we just made. Line them up like this. Surely, we can also use the ones with different colors. Next, let's select this clip. Go to Color, find the HSL, and then adjust the color of the transition effect. Then we adjust another clip. Let's take a preview. We get a 3-color transition effect. It's pretty easy to do, isn't it? Surely, just like what we already did, we can change the direction of these transitions. If you need the transition effect to look better, try rotating the solid color layer. Let's add the clip to the place where we want the transition effect to start. Just like what we did before, we can click on Motion. Add a keyframe at the starting point of the video. Then we rotate it for around 45 degrees. You can also enter the wanted rotation angle to make precise control. Then add the second keyframe at around the 0.6 second. I want a transition effect to move towards the right. Thus, let's go to the selection box of the second keyframe. Move it towards the left until it's outside of the screen. Then we get back to the first keyframe. Move it towards the right until it's outside of the screen. Finally, we add the third keyframe at the end point. Let's check out the outcome. It looks good. Similarly, we can improve the sense of motion by overlapping. Aside, we can reposition these 2 keyframes to adjust the speed of the transition and the angle of the inclination. Just try it yourself. You can create the best solid color transition effect that matches your project. That's all for this video. Feel free to visit our homepage if you want to learn some more fancy effects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified as soon as we post anything new. See you in the next video. Bye!